Hi friends, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Hari Naganand Idumudi, instructor of Shorthand. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. Crucial links including the special list of words previous videos links are provided in the description box. If you think that this dictation can help you in the competitive exams, click the like button and leave a remark. For this shortened subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. Grammar locks, contractions, special contractions, phrases, advanced phrases, special list of words needs to be written once every 15 days. Then only you will get a better speed in stenography. Get ready for the dictation of special list of words part 4. Get ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Immigrate, immigration, immigrant, murder, murdered, murderer, murderers, define, definite, definitely, definition, definitive, definitively, indefinite, undefined, end, ending, endless, need, needed, needy, needless, needlessly, ingenuous, ingenuously, ingenuity, ingenuous, ingenuously, ingenuousness, ingenuousness, labor, labored, laborer, laborious, laboriously, elaborate, elaborated, elaborately, elaboration, learn, learned, learning, learner, write, writing, written, unwritten, rot, rotted, rottenness, rotting, rotten, regret, regretted, regrettable, regretful, regard, regarded, regarding, regardful, refer, referred, reference, referendum, rough, rougher, roughest, roughly, revere, revered, reverence, reverent, irreverence, human, humanity, humanly, inhuman, humane, heart, hearty, heartier, heartily, heartiest, hard, harder, hardest, hardy, hardiest, hero, heroic, heroically, heroine, assure, assured, assurance, assuredly, assurer, found, founded, founder, foundation, foundational, collect, collected, collector, collection, elect, elected, elector, election, electioneer, event, eventual, eventful, history, historical, historian, liberal, liberality, illiberal, patriot, patriotic, patriotically, patriotism, precise, precisely, precision, system, systematic, systematically, systematize, systemization, local, locality, localization, matter, material, materialistic, materialist, immaterial, septic, septical, skepticism, sincere, sincerity, sincerely, signature, signatory, certain, certainty, certainly, uncertainty, ascertain, ascertained, ascertainment, ascertainable, insist, insisted, insistence, insistently, exist, existed, existence, existent, non-existent, stop. Once again, I am telling that grammar locks, contractions, special contractions, phrases, advanced phrases, special list of words needs to be written once in every 15 days. Then only you will get better speed in stenography and you can write the passages very speedily. Okay, if you feel that this dictation can help to the students in the competitive examinations, click the like button and make your comment. For getting more updates, please subscribe our channel and share this link to the shorthand students. Thank you.